If you've had a heart attack, you know the importance of recovery. Did you know that how much you sit could impact your future heart health? A new study offers crucial insights for survivors like you. Experiencing a heart attack is a major event. Unfortunately, about 1 in 5 survivors will have another within 5 years. Your risk for other issues like heart failure also increases. Lifestyle changes are key to lowering these risks. We often hear about diet and exercise, but what about the time you spend not moving? New research highlights a surprising factor: being too sedentary after a heart attack. Spending long hours sitting or lying down can significantly increase your risk of another heart event. This is true even if you are exercising. Many survivors find intense exercise challenging or scary. This can lead to spending many hours each day sitting. This study looked at how this sedentary time affects recovery and future risk. Researchers tracked the activity levels of heart attack survivors. They found that those who sat for over 14 hours a day more than doubled their risk of another cardiac event within a year. This shows that prolonged sitting is a serious concern. It's not just about meeting exercise goals. The total amount of time you spend sedentary throughout the day is also critical. Reducing the sitting time is vital for optimal recovery. The good news is that small changes can make a big difference. The study found that replacing just 30 minutes of sitting daily with light activity lowered the risk of another event by 50%. Light activity could be gentle walking or household chores. Replacing 30 minutes of sitting with moderate to vigorous activity was even better, cutting the risk by 61%. This shows that any movement is beneficial, and more intense movement offers greater rewards. Surprisingly, the study also found that replacing 30 minutes of sitting with an extra 30 minutes of sleep reduced risk by 14%. Sleep is a restorative process your body needs, especially after a heart event. Choosing sleep over sitting is a healthier choice. These findings offer hope. You don't have to be a gym enthusiast to improve your odds. Simple, achievable steps throughout your day can significantly impact your heart health journey. Understanding the risks of sitting is the first step. Now take action. Look for opportunities to replace sitting time with movement or even extra sleep. Stand up during commercials, take short walks, or add a little more activity to your routine. Talk to your doctor about safe ways to increase your activity. Start small, be consistent, and celebrate your progress. Your heart deserves this effort.